Hello everybody, this is Don Torsha with Basement to Roof Home Inspections. Today is February the 1st, 2020. Check it out, the sun. We've been like weeks without seeing the sun in Michigan. All right, for everybody who has a male dog and an air conditioner, we're having a lesson here. There's what happens to your air conditioner when a dog pees on it. The dog urine corrodes, eats out the air conditioner. So, I don't know how you fix that, but do something to put around your air conditioner. This is Don Torsha. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.